Alright, so I'm making this video for my imagery video. So for imagery number one, and an event from the past weekend, I'm choosing when I went to a brewery with some friends. And for vividness rating, for the overall vividness, I paid a 4 out of 5. Um, just because I remember it, but like I don't remember every detail, so it wasn't like a perfect memory. For the sight vividness, a 4 out of 5 because same thing, it wasn't perfect, but I remember mostly all of it. For the touch, I would say 3 out of 5 just because it was from the weekend and I don't really pay attention to like how things feel, I guess. For the sound, I put 4 out of 5 because um, I could remember like how the chatter was, how like everyone was talking, and the things around me, but like I don't remember it perfectly. For emotional, I put 5 out of 5 because I just know like I felt good the whole time because I was with friends. For imagery number two, and a class you had today. Um, so for this, I had a class at 12 p.m. today. I put a 5 for all of the above for all 5 vividness ratings, just because it just happened today, and I have a really good memory of it. Like it just happened a few hours ago. Um, Unlike the imagery number one event that happened a few days ago. So, um, as the days go on, your memory of the event um, gets like less and less. And yeah, that's my video.